Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata bayakan ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi kajing ik kajong ay pi. Kanam kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Joy. Kasyugan lang katway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news po ha. Try ko ivi ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.
Nongyalam ke BJP bad MLA ke penthor umkra uba AL hek hakakat santrik naitung. Ula ong baki office sorkar kimdei satyaban kelalong kijaka manible. Kani ka jingkran ka jong kalawan long shisngi hadin baka Kasi Students Union KSU. Kalalet ban khang tala ya ka mandir ya ka bala keno bala TBAN hapo ka pelau ka office jong ka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI ha maudiang diang shlong. Bat dawa ben penprano mardor hapo kasitayaw. Habakren sa kilat patay kubor, uba hek ula ong baka ni kajing penpaw ka jong kamday ba upersya ni kersyan ni kajing le jong ka KSU, Henry ula banjur, baki jaka maniblay kimday bandan haki jaka trikam patba. Ha kajing sengaw shimet jonga, kalong baki jaka maniblay kiday bandan haki jaka shimet, Henry om haki no kini jaka trikam patba, kata laki day haki office ke sorkar jela ni sorkar pedeng ong ubah hek. Ula ong ru baki office sorkar ki day ki jaka pat ba, bala pendan kam day ki beriu ki badai na ki jat pin riu, bat ki nyam baper, bat ka jingdan ki jaka money blay, kala benwanra ka jingbam suk ki nong tray bat ki beriu ki barung bami.
Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata bayakan ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi kajing ik kajong ay pi. Kanam kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Joy. Kasyugan lang katway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news po ha. Try ko ivi ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.
You know, the walk of life, all the community will be working in one organization. You should not have any worship place. Worship place should have a separate worship place, not only in the workplace. That is, I am not against nor favor of anybody who is going to stop for the construction or not. That is a secondary for me. But my general opinions, my personal opinion is, in any workplace, whether it is in the state government or central government, there's a worship place. It should be in your own private place only, or you can go to the identified worship places, not on the public place. The government official officers are the public place. All kind of public will go. Why you want to create unnecessary, create unnecessary inconvenience for the people who are working in that organizations or any other organizations.